Hello everybody, my name is Margot Goles-Macesic and you're watching sheccoTV News. Welcome to our 10th episode of sheccoTV News. It has been great providing you with a quick roundup of the most important natural refrigerant updates from around the world over the last few months. This week we bring you news about the natural refrigerant technology of the future. In Australia, there's a virtual reality system you can place on your head that will show you how to fix a refrigeration system, and it will be used to train people on natural refrigerants. We also bring you the news that an innovative Mexican retailer is installing the North American country's first CO2 transcritical system. The Technical and Further Education School, or TAFE, in South Australia has combined safety and training to create a new virtual reality program which includes 3 refrigerant safety courses: a CO2 system running in a new supermarket, an ammonia system running in an ice factory, and one on hydrocarbon refrigerants. So, the VR system works with a 360-degree camera that records stereoscopic imagery, or in other words, the VR headset enables students to see objects as if they were real, including a representative size of refrigeration machinery and equipment. The students will be shown a TAFE to identify workplace dangers in real-world settings in the comfort of their classroom, without stepping into a machinery room. Next we have Mexico, who is trying CO2 transcritical for the first time. Casa Ley, the 4th largest supermarket chain in Mexico, became the first supermarket operator in the North American country to install a climate-friendly transcritical CO2 refrigeration system, meaning that the system is working with only one refrigerant, CO2, which is a more environmentally friendly system than a CO2 cascade one. It will be interesting to see how CO2 transcritical performs in the hot ambient temperatures that Mexico is well known for. If you want to find out more about these news items, you can find the links to the articles in the description of this video. Thank you for listening, and I hope to see you next week for sheccoTV News updates. Goodbye.